Oh, buddy. What's going on, everybody? I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Not my tapestry. Just want to say that first and foremost, this is my fiance's room. That's hers. This is where my computer, that's not my tapestry. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. Today I'm going to be building my first ever PC. Let me rephrase that. I'm not going to be building it. A company called Techies in Bartlett, Illinois is going to be building my PC for me today. I'm taking all the parts there, and the reason for that is, one, he's got a YouTube channel as well, so I'll link that in the description below. So he's going to be building it for his YouTube channel. Two, he's installing Microsoft OS at no cost to me, so I'm like, free OS, I'll take it. And three, he's also going to be installing and supplying a 4 terabyte mechanical hard drive on top of everything else that I've already purchased for the PC. It's going to be a pretty sweet setup. It's going to be for editing. I'm going to be doing editing vlogs, which I hope go well, but we'll see what happens. As you can see right now, I got 2 screens. So we're going to be going over to my house. I came over here to pick up my fiance. We're going to run back to my house, grab all the PC parts. I didn't want them sitting in my car because the temperature right now is like -10. That's what happens when you live near Chicago. So we'll run back to my house, grab all the parts. We're going to head over to Techies, bring all the stuff in, watch them put it together, and hopefully we have a beast of a computer. So stay tuned. It's very cold, very cold. Here we go. Don't mind the messy basement. Here's what we are working with today. We have an NZXT H510 Elite case in white and all the goods that we're going to be throwing in this computer. So RTX 3070, we have an 850 power supply, 80 plus gold, Ryzen 9 3900X. We have our SSD 970 Evo, that is our Wi-Fi. We have overkill, 128 gigs of RAM, and we have our Asus X570 Pro motherboard. Got a cool white keyboard and mouse, and then we have our dual monitor stand that we will be setting up later. So well, let's get all this stuff in the car and get going. All right, we are rolling up to Techies.
Oh, I think that is.
It's Stan. Stan the man. Babe, your seatbelt. You're not supposed to take it off yet.
Sorry.
Here it is right there. Techies. I'm gonna park right here though. There you go. Perfect. Did you get that there?
What?
The door?
No.
Hello?
I think I am.
What's up, man?
That's it?
What do you mean that's it? All right, you guys, we are at Techies. We got Brian here. He's going to be putting this thing together. We got Stan working some camera magic. My fiance, receptionist Brandy, and
wife.
and wife. Sorry, and we're gonna be putting all this together, and hopefully it turns out pretty awesome.
It's going to be an exciting build. We're looking forward to this, and it's really going to make a big difference. So let's get started on it.
All right. Woohoo!
Hi.
Hello.
Are you excited?
I'm excited.
How excited?
Razor blade.
There you go.
Trusty razor blade. Start opening everything.
It's got one with the handle too.
Probably start with the case first, right?
Yep, yeah, just move everything and
I guess I'll reopen the case. Okay. This is weird. All right, we're gonna do it.
Center of attention.
Center of attention. It's weird. So we're gonna do a reopening since I already opened this and took a peek. Smells like a reopened case.
it's like Christmas all over
It's
again.
like Christmas all over again. There we go. There she is. Oh yeah, look at that, look at that, look at those fingerprints. Woo! What should I do next? What do you recommend next?
Usually motherboard.
Motherboard? Motherboard it is.
You'll be
Hey, that might make it worse. He's not grounded.
That's not true. It wasn't in Christmas.
What?
It wasn't in
Whatever.
ish.
It was the summer.
That was a year ago.
Time's relative. It doesn't matter.
Come on now. Come on now. Ooh, you're a little tight. I don't like
You're not
that.
gonna put it back in there.
You get stuck in. Oh, there's a hole in the bag. There it is. Nope. Okay, this is the most difficult part. There we go.
Nice.
Oh, that's pretty. I like that. CPU. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Prism Wraith? Is that how you pronounce it?
I believe so. Wraith Prism.
We'll start with the A&D cooler, but we'll work towards the cooler.
So do you dab it or you spread it?
It's already spread already.
So, yeah, so that you can't touch it, otherwise you're done. So, let me go ahead and put this up. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Big one.
Here we go.
You can move some of this stuff.
Ooh, don't cut the box.
Lost half a family.
Yeah, right? Drove it off the lot. Got a little badge. That's pretty sweet.
Awesome. I guarantee you'll get extra honks out of that.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Faster than the SRT.
The next Tesla's got an MTX.
It might.
Yeah, that's why you can't find them.
Goddamn you.
Wow, look at that thing of beauty.
Oh yeah.
RTX 3070, baby.
Oh yeah.
Sets the hard drive.
Cool.
Here, that's the second wrapping paper. Ooh, a bigger mess.
I was gonna say cue bright light shining at me, but now you can. Oh, it comes with a fancy case.
For all your cables.
Purple.
When you get a premium power supply, guys,
I can put my hair products in there.
and it comes with that, you get a nice case
With
for your
all that
cables when you buy a
hair.
fancy power supply. Check that out. So all the cables are nicely sealed in there.
That is awesome. Ooh, salt packet.
Doing it.
Drugs?
Alright, here it is. Moment. Nicely, neatly wrapped. Look at that.
Kudos to NZXT.
They did a very good job with this. Let's get a nice close up.
Oh yeah, NZXT C850, 80 plus gold.
Nice. Way to go. You guys want
Yep.
gold when you're doing a build like this.
Did research on this. This is probably the most important part of the entire computer because this will protect you from the computer frying. A few things left here. Start with the lights, which you graciously opened for me already. Comes with the remote. I'm assuming this is the
The controller.
controller. Yeah. Fancy. You've got another. There's two remotes.
Can't do one box.
Oh, the next one was the next one then.
Nice.
This one another kit.
Oh, okay. So we got some RGB fans from
In case you lose the
Asia.
remote, you got a spare.
Yeah, right. So we got some RGB fans from Asia Horse. This one is important, but probably not as important as everything else so far. This just gives me the ability to do Wi-Fi. So this will pair well with the hard drive. I did do the research on that
It's a good
to
pairing.
make to make sure. Yeah, this one is not the hard drive, motherboard. Duh. But
Nice heatsink on there.
oh yeah,
Fast speed.
nice. It's got the Vengeance LPX RAM DDR4. I thought RAM was bigger than this.
No.
They
On
can
all
be.
the videos that I've seen, it looks so much bigger.
You got the
They
small
can
one
be.
then.
Those are normal size.
This is normal size, so this will fit. Yeah, that'll fit.
Yep.
Like I was like, when I got these, I was like, that's it.
It's big in size, 128 gigs. You know.
It is. It
It's in
is.
my mind that was big.
Is this one that's in here?
Similar.
Oh, you got G skill.
That's G
Same color.
Same color. There you go.
It's the same
It's the
RAM.
'cause it's the
Same
color,
RAM.
It's fine.
Yeah, I was half the size 64, but it's a start.
And that looks a lot smaller than I thought too. That's gonna
Yeah.
be
Oh, yeah, this
the 1
thing's
terabyte
tiny.
SSD.
That's flexing a big muscle there, though.
And then we have our extension cables that are from LinkUp, I believe,
Nice.
which I had not really researched different brands. So I know there's better ones, but I mean, I think these will work. And then we have the 4 terabyte mechanical drive,
It's the beginner.
aka the slow drive.
Snail.
Be nice.
Seagate. Very nice, very nice. All right, I think that's everything. So let me get all the garbage out of the way. That's so satisfying. I watched so many people push that thing around to lock it in. It's like the most. Oh, maybe.
I gotta get this.
Go ahead.
It's in there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yep. That's fine. Yep. It was as satisfying as it looks on camera. So with this one, you don't even need to change the mounts or anything?
No.
No, not for this one.
It's already got them.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Mm-hmm. See that side? Oh, there you go.
Oh. Satisfying click. And now that's locked in.
Yeah.
But I hear that this is one of the best coolers, stock coolers on the market.
It is the nicest stock cooler on the market.
The lights on a review.
That is a satisfying click. They're all clicked in.
Yep.
Beautiful.
All right, guys, so now what Riley's doing is we're actually going to do a bench test, and we're going to test everything before we fully put in the build, make sure everything is all working together.
It's got such pretty lights. I mean, that's all that really matters.
I'm used to car show style.
Not used to like having to be in one small spot. Yeah.
I'm used to people in their way and stuff.
Oh.
Sounds like a fan's rubbing on something.
I think it's this one. Oh, maybe not.
Oh, the graphics card was weighing on something.
Once it's up, though, it should probably take some weight off of
Yeah.
it, right?
These are your diagnostic LEDs. It's cycling through them all.
Okay.
Yeah, like they identify a problem,
Okay.
but looks like everything's working fine.
Nice.
BIOS loaded right up. All the RAM's there.
That's good.
Awesome. Yeah, everything looks like it's working fine, so we can.
Continue with the build.
Yep.
Beautiful. Phone had to charge for a little bit. It was dying. We got some progress here. As you can see, we've got in white fans. We replaced the black ones. They were 140s. We replaced them with 120s that are white. Intake and exhaust. We have the cable extensions in, looking mint up here. We got them up there as well, looking really good. And then I think we still have 2 more cable extensions for the graphics card.
Yeah.
Okay. And then, yeah, so I mean, this thing's coming together nicely. I don't even want to look on the other side of it right now, because I'm sure it looks like the computer threw up on the So the computer's on, getting Windows put on there now. Gonna do a little bit more cable management up there once we turn it off, so we're not getting in the way of the fans. But other than that, I mean, we're gonna run benchmark and see how she does. All right, well, I got everything set up on the computer. Got the monitors hooked up. They're running great. I got some stuff downloaded. This thing is an absolute monster. So before I sign off, I'm just going to show you guys really quick what this thing looks like. So check it out. So don't mind the messy room, but here is the dual monitor keyboard mouse setup along with the PC setup. Anyways, I appreciate you guys sticking around. If you stuck around for this whole video, thank you very much. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of editing on this thing. This is why I built it, was for editing videos. I have a big YouTuber that I'm gonna start converting YouTube videos to Facebook for him, and he's giving me the green light to go ahead and, you know, vlog my editing on this crazy journey, if you will, of editing his videos, and then hopefully some other stuff comes in and we can just start rocking and rolling. But appreciate you guys sticking around. Hope you have an awesome day. Please gently press that like button, and we will catch you next time.